In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Aliexpress app on Android. We'll follow the safest, most reliable method so you can get the official app and start browsing deals with confidence. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app marketplace that keeps downloads secure and up to date. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type Aliexpress, and look for the listing called Aliexpress Shopping App. This is the official shopping app that connects you with sellers worldwide. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the huge install base, over 500 million downloads, which is a strong sign you're viewing the legitimate app. Tap the listing to open its page, then tap Install. The download may take a moment depending on your connection and storage space. You'll see the progress right on the screen, and the Play Store will handle everything automatically. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app. Once the app opens, you're ready to explore. The Aliexpress app lets you shop from sellers across the globe, track your orders from purchase to delivery, and pay securely using the app's built-in checkout options. You can browse categories, discover daily deals, and manage your orders in one place. It's designed to make the entire shopping experience simple and convenient on your Android device. A few important safety tips before we wrap up. Always download the app from the Google Play Store. This helps you avoid fake or tampered apps that could put your data or device at risk. Avoid random APK sites. APK installs are possible on Android, but you should only consider them if they come directly from trusted sources, such as the official Aliexpress website. Using the Play Store remains the recommended approach because it provides automatic updates, security checks, and a straightforward installation process. That's all you need to download the Aliexpress app on Android the right way. Open the Play Store, search for Aliexpress, select Aliexpress Shopping App, tap Install, and then open. With over 500 M+ downloads and a full suite of shopping features, you'll be ready to browse, buy, and track your orders securely. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shopping experience on Aliexpress.